Here at Oldwood Limited, we are going above and beyond by following all of the health department's recommendations to keep our team and customers healthy. Our products are disinfected before they ship, and we are taking extra precautions in addition to those already taken during this important time. Our design center is open for scheduled appointments only, which allows us all to social distance and for the facility to be cleaned between each visitor. In addition, our online store is open for business, and our design specialists are ready to assist you. We are proud to be an American-made company located in the small town of Magnolia, Ohio, offering essential services and materials.